All right, this week we are talking about syllable division or junctions, VCCV, so your vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Okay, this shows what happens when two syllables meet. The patterns that exist between the vowels and consonant cues the reader, speller on how to divide the new word. Okay, so um, last week we talked about VCV, a pattern we find in many syllables, many two-syllable words. VCV words can be open or closed. So these are what we talked about last week. Remember, if the vowel says its name, then it is open, and if it doesn't, it's closed. Okay. Now, this week we're talking about your VCCV, which are double consonant or different consonants. So, example VCV would be like supper or tiger. Okay. Supper would be closed because U does not say its name, where tiger, the I says its name, so it is an open syllable. This week we're looking at VCCV words like dinner or helmet. Okay. Your VCCV would be INNE and then ELME.
Let's look at syllable juncture. What that means is it's when you have a two-syllable word, it's where the syllable splits. We're going to look in VCV or vowel, consonant, vowel words and VCCV or vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel words. Now, a great example is the word super and supper. And you can use this pattern to almost tell the difference because sometimes I get confused with these two as well. You have your vowel, consonant, vowel. So you have a vowel, a consonant, and a vowel, U-P-E. And that says super. That's your syllable, super. So the juncture is right between the vowel and the consonant. And then you hear su. That is a long U. So you're looking at long sounds. And then you have over here vowel, consonant, consonant B, and you have supper, supper. In this case, your juncture is right here. You have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So your two consonants together and your juncture comes between them. But listen again, supper, supper. So in this case, you have a short sound. VCCV has short sounds, VCV has long sounds, and these are what we're going to call open syllables. That first syllable ends in a long vowel sound, so it's considered open first syllable. Here's some list of some more examples. We have super and supper. Then you have diner and dinner. Again, you have long I, short I. Notice this one ends with the N, and then the other one ends with the I. So you have diner, dinner. Diner has your long I, the place where you go to eat. Dinner is kind of like supper. Let's continue down these long vowel sounds. It's a little easier to go straight down the column. Now you have tiger, later, paper, even. Notice that this is just your first letter. Even is your second syllable. Over, ruler, crazy, open, tiny. And you can see in all of them you have vowel, consonant, vowel, and your juncture comes after the first vowel there in the middle of the word. Again, now here we have our short vowel sounds. So you have supper, dinner, happy, pretty, short E, penny, puppy, rabbit, kitten. Notice I do the line to separate all your junctures. So there's two syllables in every one of these words. Hello, letter, lesson, summer. These are also VCCV. Look in the middle. Do you have two consecutive consonants? They don't have to be the same. all of these are doubles, but they don't have to be the same. Keep that in mind. If you go back and look like your compound words or something like that, that definitely has junctures that don't have the same consonant twice. Our oddball is busy. Busy does not have the correct long vowel sound, but it is VCV, any juncture there. So busy fits here spelling pattern wise, but sound wise fits here, so that's why it's the oddball. Let's look at.
All right, so now you try. Try these in your notebook and see if you can decide if they're VCE or VCCV. You can pause the video to do that. All right, so today would be day 2 of word study. So if you came back or if you decided you wanted to um, do it all in one day, that's fine too. Just note that if you need a break, this is a good, that last slide was a good stopping point. Okay, now we're going to do another word sort, kind of like you did yesterday, and decide if these are VCV or if they're VCCV. Okay, so I have dismay. Okay, I have my vowel, which is I, SM, which are consonants, and A, which is a vowel. So I'm going to separate this word into dis and may. So my line would go right in between S and M. Okay. Y'all decide on, and it would go under VCCV. Okay. Y'all decide with the other ones where you would put them. So pause the video and do this activity in your notebook. Okay. So this is another day of VCCV work. Okay, you have a penny, a ruler, a button, a bunny, a hammer, a pencil, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a block, paper, and a tiger. Okay. Um, and with this one, usually all my pictures show. So I would slowly go through the video and pause after each word and decide if they're VCE or if they're VCCV. Okay. And then pause the video for tomorrow. All right. So this is day 4 of word study. Okay. And you're trying to decide, you're going to do an independent exercise in your notebook. Okay. So you can put the word that is on your list here and then separate, underline your VCCV or your VCV, and then divide it into syllables here, just like they did with the word sentence. You have sentence, they told you where your VCCV is, and then divided it into syllables. And the words you're using are these, let them load. It'll be these words right here. Okay. So you can just pause the video and do that activity. All right. Now, this last activity, is really neat. It's balloon stickers. Okay, let me show you a little bit about it. Okay, so that was a little video on an app you can use to do this activity. But what I want you to do is explore different VCCV words or VCV words in your life. So either you find them around your house or something you're doing or saying. And I'm going to have you upload 5 of these words on Canvas. Okay, so go ahead and start exploring. You can use that app and upload what you find there, or you can just write them in your notebook. That's fine. Okay. Bye, guys. Have a